Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create membership website using WordPress from scratch step by step. You don't need to be a tech expert. If you can drag and drop, you can do this. Let's get started. First things first, you need hosting and a domain name. I recommend using hosting providers like SiteGround or Hostinger. They are beginner friendly and have one click WordPress install. Go to your hosting provider, choose a domain, then install WordPress with one click. Once WordPress is installed, you can log into your dashboard at your domain. Next, we will need a plugin that adds membership functionality to WordPress. The most popular ones are MemberPress, premium but powerful, paid memberships pro, grade free version, restrict content pro, simple and clean. Let's go with paid memberships pro for this tutorial. Let's go to plugins section and search for paid membership pro. Select it and upgrade and activate. Once the plugin is activated, you will see a new memberships tab in your dashboard. Click on membership levels, then add new levels. Give it a name like basic or premium. Set pricing, you can make it free, one time or recurring. Choose which pages or posts this level can access. You can add multiple labels based on the kind of content you want to restrict. Set up restricted content. Now, restrict content to members only. Create a new page or post. Scroll down to the require membership section. Choose which membership level is required to view this content. Only users who have purchased that membership can access it. The plugin automatically creates registration, login, and account pages. You can find this under pages section, then all pages. You can customize these pages with your branding. Use page builders like Element or Gutenberg. Add welcome text, images, or buttons. You can also use shortcuts like PMP arrow login or PMP arrow account to display login or account forms anywhere you want. Go to memberships, then payment settings. You can accept payment via Stripe, PayPal, authorize.net. It's optional. Connect your Stripe or PayPal account by adding API keys. Paid Memberships Pro gives clear instructions for this. Once set, your users can start paying for access. Now test the full process. Visit your site as a visitor. Try signing up for a membership. Check if restricted content is really locked. Test payment flow and confirmation emails. This is where you catch any issues before launch. And that's it. You now have a fully functional membership website. Customize the design and add more content and maybe even drip content over time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and happy building.